Hi everyone! 皆さんこんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。今回のレッスンではカジュアルな挨拶を一緒に勉強していきましょう。In this lesson, you will learn the Japanese greetings in casual situation. So, Japanese has polite and informal way. So, polite is that you can use it to higher status person or who are older than you, or maybe strangers. You can use it to them. The informal Japanese, you can use to friends and family members or younger people. Okay, so we will learn the informal greetings. Let's get started. 最初の挨拶はおはようです。The first greetings, おはよう。So simply, おはよう。おはよう。One more time. おはよう。And next one is よ。よ is like hi, hey. But I don't use it. More men tend to use it. よ。Okay. So let's say よ。That's it. よ。Good evening is こんばんは。So this is the same as a formal one. こんばんは。こんばんは。はい。こんばんは。And good night is おやすみ。おやすみ。おやすみ。おやすみ means can be meaning is a day off or holiday. But this situation isn't meaning is a good night. Then next one, see ya, see you later means またね. I use it often in the end of the lesson, video lessons. So that's a casual goodbye. またね. So I'll show you different variation. またね or じゃあね。じゃあまた。じゃあまたね. So these are all it's just a different way of see ya. Okay, so let's practice. Repeat after me. またね。じゃあね。じゃあまた。じゃあまたね。So that's all same meaning. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot one more. Bye bye. Bye bye is just a bye bye. Then man can be used またな。Repeat after me. またね。またね。Next one. Take care. 元気でね。So let's imagine that maybe the lady's mother then see off her son at the airport, and maybe the son will go to Japan, then you will not see him for a while. So in that case, 元気でね, like so we will use you don't know someone when you will see him or her next time, we will use it the phrase. Repeat after me. 元気でね. One more time. 元気でね. So literally, the translation is more like being good health or being good, because 元気 means good. But maybe 元気 take care of yourself. Okay. Next. 次. ごめん. ごめん is I'm sorry, but it sounds more casual. If you want to apologize, you have to use a long version, which is ごめんなさい. But this is a more casual. Oh, ごめん. Repeat after me. ごめん. One more time. ごめん. You can add ね at the end. ごめんね. It's more soft. I'm sorry. ごめんね. And next is thank you is ありがとう. Repeat after me. ありがとう. One more time. ありがとう. ありがとう。And next is a 元気。元気 is how are you? So then this is a informal casual. So when you say it, if it's a question, your intonation go up. 元気 like this. 元気 So listener understand. Oh, you're asking me. Okay. Repeat after me. 元気 The next one is it's been a while, long time no see is 久しぶり。久しぶり。You can use it to texting message like this. This is one of my friends texted me. So, Ayana, 久しぶり。this is a 漢字。で、お誕生日おめでとう。is a happy birthday. 元気にしてる。is a how are you? So, it's like you state the person's name you're communicating right now. For example, your friend's name. Then you can add 久しぶり。Then response is if someone said 久しぶり, you can respond to same things. 久しぶり。で、元気にしているよ。I'm doing good. メッセージどうもありがとう means thank you for your message. Like this. So you can use it texting message as well. It's been a while. Repeat after me. 久しぶり。One more time. 久しぶり。Okay, so let's put together all then practice pronunciation together. Repeat after me. おはよう。よ。こんばんは。おやすみ。またね。元気でね。ごめん。ありがとう。元気久しぶり。Okay, so you have practiced. This is informal greetings. Let's test. How do you say thank you? The answer is ありがとう。How about how are you? 元気 So intonation go up 元気 How about the long time no see? Which is 久しぶり Then 4番 I'm sorry. Informal where would it be? ごめん Some people do like this ごめん Then also when you greet something like a こんばんは like a little bow, that's the Japanese way of greetings. Or こんにちは ありがとう You know, we do like this bow, so you can also get used to, like as you say, also little bow. The last one, take care. 元気でね Okay. このレッスンはここまでです。Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe. I will post every 2 days. And then you keep practicing every day. Then eventually you will be able to have more confidence in speaking. Okay? ではまた。さようなら。